So here I am, 40 miles south of Boston in Attleboro, Mass., a town that was once considered the jewelry manufacturing capital of the country. Now, at one time, there were 36 diners in this downtown area. Times have changed. 35 of them are gone, and one is left standing. A 98-year-old, family-owned and operated Attleboro landmark that's serving New England-style comfort food. Time to check out Morin's Hometown Bar and Grill.
2 meat pies, mashed side of gravy.
Feels like mom cooked it.
Okay.
Food has been cooked with love. Thanks, Billy.
Good old-fashioned down-home comfort food.
That's what we're known for, is comfort food.
Since 1911,
Here we go.
when Bill Morin's family opened the joint.
I am the 3rd generation. My grandfather was Jean-Baptiste Morin, migrated from Montreal, ended up running a diner.
After college and a few years cooking in the Army, Bill took over.
2 more grill orders here, man.
And almost 40 years later,
All right.
he's still cranking out his grandfather's recipes,
2 French meat pies.
especially this one.
Every family has their recipe, and Morin's is the best. Just don't let my mom know.
We're gonna make French meat pie. Butter and margarine to a hot pan.
Okay, some onions.
I'm gonna let the onions cook. I'm gonna add my ground pork and ground beef. We're gonna almost cook this all the way through, and then bring it over to our buffalo chopper.
No buffaloes were harmed in the filming of this show.
Good job there.
Thank you very much.
Just load up the food chopper.
Drop the hammer, Cole.
Oh, yeah.
See how it continues to get smaller and smaller? So this is not your first time doing this, is it?
Been down the road a few times on this one. Diced potato.
Break them down a little bit more.
Yeah, just a little.
And some vodka.
Just tap water. Cinnamon, nutmeg, granulated garlic, powdered clove. We're gonna add our salt and pepper, tomato paste.
Can we get you a spatula?
John, how about a spatula?
John, how about a spatula?
Beef base.
Or a
Pie server.
pie server. That'd be good.
And then just incorporate everything. Towards the end, we thicken it with a little instant potato to bind it.
Wow, that pie server. Never knew.
Oh, yeah.
So let it cool down, then we'll mix it again, and then we'll get it on the
There you
dough crust.
go.
So now we're gonna make crust for the French meat pie.
Yeah, we'll make the dough, and we're just gonna plate the bottom crust. Take the filling, 3 pounds.
Brush the edge
Yeah, egg wash the edge.
so it'll stick.
Oh, yeah. And then we put the crust like this, crimp the edges, take the back of a knife, slide it right around, and then we're gonna egg
it
wash the
again.
top.
Give it a nice little sheen on there.
You got it? About 6 or 8 holes, and then one right in the middle.
So now, what temperature's the oven?
350 degrees, convection oven, 50 minutes.
Here she is. Hey, look, we know that tool.
Oh, yeah, universal. There you go.
And the little house-made gravy. The meat is down to just the right grind where you get texture, but it also melts in your mouth. The pie crust is super flakalicious. But it's the cinnamon and then the clove that add that little diverse,
I think it's called zip.
it's called zip.
French meat pie.
There's almost nothing scarier than trying to open a restaurant, especially for someone that doesn't have any formal culinary training. But that didn't stop one former waitress here in Pittsburgh. Took out a small loan and bought a little joint in a strip mall and turned it into a neighborhood favorite. Gotta check out Kelly O's.
Order halushki.
Noodles, onions, cabbage, and bacon.
It's a Polish thing.
You can ask any Pittsburgh kid, they know what this is, even if they're not Polish.
You go to picnics, you go to little festivals, church festivals.
It is holy halushki.
Definitely halushki.
How long have you been making this dish?
My whole life. Some butter in there,
Some regular onions?
boil the
Just
cabbage.
cook. No salt in the water, anything?
Nope.
Nothing like a hot, warm cabbage facial.
Oh, I
You ever try
agree.
those in the
I
morning?
agree, it's great.
Yeah.
4s, and then just cut it. Are you gonna cut it for me?
Whatever you want there,
Okay.
sunshine.
Just julienne it. Yeah, there you go. Put it right in there.
In the pool?
Yep. It'll caramelize. It'll turn like brown, you know.
Dig it.
Garlic, salt, bacon. Lots
how
of
much
bacon.
goes in here?
10 ounces of cooked, chopped bacon.
That started out probably as about a pound and something.
Yes.
I'm already liking what I'm seeing.
Once you have it, you won't forget it.
So some egg noodles that are cooked al dente.
You got it.
That's a nice ratio of cabbage and onions to noodle. Stir this all around.
Yep. You like cabbage?
I love cabbage.
The darker it gets, the better it gets.
Oh, yeah. See that?
Yes.
That right
that's
there?
crispy. That's the way it's supposed to be, right? Like a pepper.
Here with some pepper. Is this ready?
Yep. There's a little Romano too.
You gonna hit a little bit on there? That's exactly what I would want to eat every day.
Really?
I'm making this weekend when I get home.
Are you?
A little bit of the cabbage, the bitterness, sweetness of the onion, the saltiness of the bacon. I'm having a halushki nation. That's one of the surprise dishes I've had on Triple D.
Mom, I found a new halushki. Don't be mad.
She's gonna spank your kabuski when she finds out you love this halushki. So I'm here in the Southampton Township of New Jersey to check out a classic stainless steel diner from 1953. but unfortunately, it's not here anymore. You see, because the Miloseratos brothers bought it in '69, and they realized, well, it just wasn't big enough. So in '73, they sold it, and they built this monster. This is the Vincenttown Diner.
Mile High Meatloaf.
Why is it mile high?
It's about this high off the plate.
No, it's not.
That's pretty big.
Seriously?
It's big.
It's like a reverse meatloaf sandwich.
And the pieces are thick and meaty.
We're gonna make the meatloaf.
Yep, we got our ground beef, 75-25.
Going big.
Ground Italian sausage, green and red peppers, white onions that I've cooked down for a long time.
Yeah, when people put raw veggies in meatloaf, it drives me crazy.
No. Now I got some panko breadcrumb that I've crushed some roasted garlic into, and then milk.
So you got your panade.
Yes. Beaten organic eggs. Some of the meatloaf sauce.
What do we got?
We got some ketchup, maple syrup, steak sauce, hot sauce, Montreal steak seasoning.
Doctor?
Just some salt and pepper.
So we'll take this into the pan.
Pack it in.
So in the oven, what temp?
350, about an hour, hour and a half. Then we bring it out, we brush some more of that meatloaf sauce on the top.
Got it.
Put it back in
Let it
to
glaze. Got it.
Yeah, then we let it cool, we unmold, we slice it, it gets seared on the flat top.
You make the gravy yourself?
We make the gravy.
You gotta make some gravy.
All right, let's make some gravy.
All right.
I've roasted some veal bones. I'm gonna put them in the pot with some roasted vegetables and rosemary thyme.
Fill it up with water. How long are we gonna let that cook down for?
6-7 hours until all that collagen breaks down.
Strain it.
Yes,
and that's
sir.
the foundation of all the gravy.
Yes.
I love it. I mean, that's doing it old school, the right way.
Some butter?
Small amount of butter.
Little bit.
Build the roux.
I'm gonna add some more of the roasted mirepoix with some flour in there. We cook the flour for a couple minutes, and we go in with our stock.
A little demi-glace.
Homemade tomato sauce. Do 1 spoon of beef base just to amp it up a little bit. Now we got some ground prime rib and some flat leaf parsley.
Okay, so you let that sit there and cook down, and then later take the immersion blender to it,
Yes, sir.
and this will go.
Right on the Mile High meatloaf.
Got it. All right, chef. Make the magic happen, baby.
Got our meatloaf seared off. We're gonna go down with a nice scoop of our roasted garlic mash. 1 piece of meatloaf, another scoop of mash.
I get the mile high thing now, chef.
We're gonna go on with our gravy,
Don't be shy with that.
a little frizzle, some of our veg mix.
Start at the knee. The thing that impressed me the most has been the prime rib into the gravy.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. Mashed potatoes are spot on. The meatloaf is tender. You definitely get some of that Italian sausage. Love the little caramelization you put on it when you finish it on the flat top. This is tender. This is juicy. Oh, look at me. I can't stop eating it. Well done, brother.
Thank you, man.
That's close stuff.
Pick up Mile High meatloaf.
When you take a bite, you get the best of everything.
Just the way you want it, just perfect.
I'm here in the San Marco neighborhood of Jacksonville, Florida, just a few miles from downtown. Now, I know when you roll into a coastal town like Jacksonville, well, you're expecting to find seafood. But in this town, there's a lot more than that. And as the name of the show goes, it's diners, drive-ins, and dives. And this is Metro Diner.
Meatloaf up.
The meatloaf is unbelievable here.
Now, is meatloaf a staple on the menu, or?
It's definitely a staple.
Okay, so get it going.
All right, we'll start with the carrots. We're gonna blend them.
This will break it down to the size that it can be cooked all the way through, but not being a big, intrusive chunk.
Yeah,
Intrusive chunk. Okay?
without a doubt.
That's a term you use often.
Yeah.
You know what? Come on down for our meatloaf here in Metro. No intrusive chunks.
Celery.
All right.
We're gonna blend them.
Get those to the optimum size.
Yep. The mushrooms.
Mushrooms, very gingerly done. Just mushrooms, not ginger, but you know what I meant. Now you do the onions.
Yeah. We're gonna blend them.
All right, so this is all ready to go with this nice veggie mix. And this brand new bowl.
And that's been here all 20 years at least. Would
Yes,
be my
it
guess.
yeah. Yep, it's carbon dated AD. All right, now we got some the meat trio.
Yep. Ground beef.
Pork.
Add pork.
Have to.
And ground turkey.
That's the way to get healthy with it. Okay, so you incorporate all the meats.
Yep.
Ready? There you go.
Beautiful.
Well, I like the veggie content. Okay, so what do we got for seasonings?
Pepper, salt, and Worcestershire.
I was gonna say, there's gotta be some Worcestershire. Anything
Gotta
else
mix
we're
them.
incorporating? What about a binder?
Yep. A little bit of egg.
Okay, breadcrumbs?
Yep. Breadcrumbs.
I think I like this.
Yeah.
So you form up the logs.
Yep.
3 out on a tray.
Yep.
Bake it off at 350
Yep.
for
40 minutes.
bring it out, let it cool. Look at that. Like a speed bump in Flavor Town. How do you just keep picking into it right now?
It's hard.
Oh, you got people at the front door.
Good one.
Great.
Could have saw that coming.
So 2 big slices over to the flat top.
Yep. Put a little margarine down. The meatloaf on. About 2-3 minutes each side.
This is the art of crustification. And then what do we serve it with?
Mashed potatoes, zucchini and squash, and little French baguette.
It's just what you expect in a diner. It's a big portion.
Yeah.
I think diners across the world have to take a lesson on this one. Tender, juicy, good exterior crust. But it's the crunchification, adding that extra layer, all that little crunch on the side. And why do you even mess up the plate with vegetables and bread? I just would like I'd like you to float that in gravy.
The meatloaf,
It was really good. The spices and the gravy on top.
It's very savory and very moist. It melts in your mouth.
Fill your stomach meal.
So this leg of the trip, you rode in and sent me to Baltimore, to the kind of places we love doing on Triple D. A big, shiny, family-owned diner serving homemade everything from everywhere. Hey, welcome to the Broadway Diner.
Broadway Festival.
All right, so a little olive oil goes down, throw some scallops in. Something you find in every diner as you travel on the country. Nice lobster tails.
I'm gonna throw the shrimp. I'm gonna throw the mussels, of course, right there.
Yeah, this is the seafood buffet for 90. Everybody's starting to pop open.
Now we're gonna go with the wine.
Like a magic show. You see that? You see how he stayed right in it? Run that on slow-mo for me. See what I said?
A little garlic, fresh tomato, basil.
Love where this is going.
Salt and pepper.
It's a marinara you made, right?
Yes.
Calamari and last so it doesn't get tough. Because by the time they get served up, that calamari will cook in that sauce.
Right. The pasta over here, cheese, grilled cheese. Now we're gonna dish it out.
If I live on an island and all we had to eat was seafood, I don't think I would get that much seafood. Look at that. Look at the juice. Look at the sauce. There's no way you could have done this any better. The pasta's al dente. I go to Italian restaurants across the country, I can't find pasta that's al dente. I have nothing to say, man, other than just wow.
Delicious. That's pretty much it in a word.
I couldn't eat that whole thing. How far did you get?
You're looking at it.
That's about it. That's the tap right there.
Let it go down.
And George has his own way of doing just about everything. Look at that. Like wrapping salmon in potatoes. So this might be one of the coolest things I've ever seen on Triple D. With sauteed spinach in a homemade scampi sauce. That is fantastic. The bust of Flavortown just stopped off at the Broadway Diner.
The potatoes are crunchy and the spinach, it's sauteed great. It all comes together very nicely.